How to fix Play Store not working on Poco M8. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart phone. If you want to restart phone, click power button and volume up button at that time and restart phone. You will see after restart, you will see a problem is solved. If it not solved, so check internet connection. Scroll down. You will check internet connection is work properly. Turn on, turn off internet and turn on. You will see problem is solved. If it's still not solved, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on more connectivity option. After click on more connectivity option, click on reset setting and click on reset setting. Enter your phone pin, click on next. You will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix Play Store not working on Poco M8. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.